The Eiffel Tower, one of the world's most iconic landmarks, is known for its elegance, history, and breathtaking views. But did you know it actually grows taller in the summer? No, it's not magic or an optical illusion. It's science. And today, we're diving deep into how and why this 19th century iron giant literally stretches toward the sky when it gets hot. Before we explore the summer stretch, let's take a quick look at the Eiffel Tower's history. Built in 1887-1889 by engineer Gustav Eiffel, it was meant to be a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World's Fair. Initially unpopular, even criticized by artists and intellectuals, it now stands as a global symbol of Paris and innovation. Height, approx. 300 meters, about 9 to 84 feet, not including antennas. But that number can actually change depending on the time of year. So how does a massive iron tower get taller in the summer? The answer lies in a simple scientific principle: thermal expansion. Metals expand when heated and contract when cooled. Heat makes the atoms in metal vibrate more, causing the material to expand. When temperatures rise, the Eiffel Tower's iron structure heats up and expands. This causes the entire structure to grow by up to 6 inches, 15 centimeters, during hot weather. You might be wondering, how big is the change really? Well, engineers have measured it. During hot summer days, the Eiffel Tower can grow between 15 to 17 centimeters. That's about 6 to 7 inches. It is affected mostly on the side facing the sun, and the top may also tilt slightly as one side expands faster than the other. The change is gradual and not visible to the naked eye, but measurable. And yes, it shrinks back down in the colder months, kind of like a living, breathing monument. Thermal expansion doesn't just affect landmarks, it happens all around us. Train tracks have gaps to allow for expansion. Bridges use expansion joints to prevent buckling. Power lines sag more in summer due to heat. Buildings are designed to account for seasonal changes in materials. So the Eiffel Tower's seasonal growth is really just a supersized version of what's happening all the time in your everyday life. A structure that changes size every year sounds a little sketchy, right? But actually, it's completely safe. Engineers account for expansion in the design. The Eiffel Tower was built with this in mind. Its iron frame is flexible and strong. Maintenance teams regularly inspect for any structural concerns, so there's no risk of the tower toppling over. It's designed to breathe with the seasons. Now that we've covered the growth spurt, here are some bonus fun facts about the Eiffel Tower. It is painted every 7 years with 60 tons of paint. Originally reddish brown, now bronze. The color has changed over the years. It can sway up to 7 centimeters in strong winds. It is visited by over 7 million people every year. It is used for scientific experiments, radio broadcasts, and even champagne launches. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a pretty face. It's full of surprises. So why should we care that a building grows a few inches? Because it's a perfect example of how nature and engineering interact. Understanding things like thermal expansion helps engineers design safer bridges, taller buildings, and better infrastructure. And it reminds us that even monuments can move and change, just like us. Next time you're in Paris in the summer, just remember, you might be seeing the Eiffel Tower at its absolute tallest. If you enjoyed this mind-blowing fact, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more epic science and world wonders.